What's up guys, it's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and today we're going to talk about refilling your 1 pound propane canisters. Now I've used these for a while. I've thought about getting a larger canister size, and these just pack really nicely away, and usually having 2 or 3 of them is plenty for what we need when we're out on our trips. If you enjoy the video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for alerts, and please leave us any questions or comments you have about this or anything else we're doing with our Overland rig. Unfortunately, you just throw these things away. It seems kind of wasteful. Then it'd be a lot cheaper to be able to fill these from something like this. I discovered these adapters on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below for this thing, and I'm gonna go ahead and try and fill up this 1 pound canister for the first time. It's supposed to be pretty easy. This is actually called a refill adapter. Let's see what it's really called on here. The QCC1 Refill Adapter 3. Just got your spin-on adapter for your regular propane tank and a nice brass fitting that can go onto your 1 pound tank. Who made it? Dozy Ant. Produced by Dozy Ant. This is just a little blowtorch to show you this thing's empty. Open it up. No gas. The instructions say this is good to fill from a 5 to 50 pound tank. So first thing I'm going to do is make sure this valve's closed. It is, but it scared me a little bit. It says to put these in the freezer for at least 30 minutes, preferably an hour or 2 for the maximum fill. I didn't do that, so we're just going to get whatever we can get with a regular room temperature tank. I can hear the gas going in there. I can definitely tell there's not very much in there. But these things aren't going to be as full as they normally are when you get them at the store. So that there is some downfall there. The colder you get these, the more gas you're going to be able to get in here, because that lower vapor pressure inside of the tank is going to allow more gas to flow in. So I put this in the freezer for about 30 minutes. It said 2 hours is going to be the best. Propane exists as a liquid at the bottom of the cylinder because it's under pressure, and a gas towards the top. When you initially open the valve, it will fill with gas. Then you need to flip it over to get as much liquid propane into your 1 pound cylinder as you can, and then close the valve before you flip it back. And now I'm gonna take this. Get a little bit of pressure when I take this off. Got a little bit of gas in there. I can feel the liquid. Getting this cylinder cold makes all the difference in the amount that you're going to be able to get in there. It's going to be interesting to see how long these will last with a full fill from this device as opposed to the ones that you get from the store. The ones from the store last a pretty good while. Sweet. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions about our Dozy Ant refill adapter or anything else that we're doing to our rig, leave those in the comments below. Professional supplier. So this is definitely a high-end piece of gear because it's professional from Dozy Ant. It's a name you can trust, Dozy Ant. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.